Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an experience from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're cleaning up your profile, removing outdated roles, or just keen to keep your professional persona fresh, this guide will walk you through it step by step. This is especially useful if your career has shifted, you've started a business, or you want your profile to better reflect what you do right now. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. You'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your email and password and get into your account. Using a desktop or laptop can make this process a bit easier since everything is clearly laid out. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now, you want to direct your attention to the top of the page, where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will present you with a drop-down menu, and from there you want to select View Profile so you can access the version of your profile that others see. This action takes you to your personal LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all your information laid out in one place. Here comes the part where we dig into the experience section. Start by scrolling down on your profile page until you reach the experience section. This is where all your professional roles are listed, including past jobs, current roles, and even self-employed or business owner positions. Once there, look for a small pencil icon. It typically sits towards the right of the section header. Click on that pencil icon. This will allow you to enter editing mode. In editing mode, you'll see individual pencil icons appear next to each of your listed roles, giving you control over each experience separately. Identify the specific role you want to delete and click the pencil icon next to it. This action opens up the details of that role, ready for you to make changes. Next, inside the editing screen for the role, keep an eye out for the option to delete. The words "Delete Experience" should be present somewhere within the edit window, usually at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. But before you go further, just a quick reminder. Deleting a role is permanent, and once it's gone, you'll lose any saved details unless you re-enter them later. So it's worth double-checking whether this is really what you want to do, especially if the role includes valuable accomplishments you might want to reuse elsewhere on your profile. Once you are certain this is the right move, you'll see a confirmation option to delete. You're going to need to press delete one final time to confirm your action. And just like that, the role is removed from your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an experience from your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for maintaining your professional image. And sometimes, that means removing experiences that no longer serve you or align with your current goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more tips on managing your online presence. See you in the next video.